Did you know that it's recommended to conduct a measurement to prove that a collaborative robot is safe and correctly implemented for a specific application? To help any robot user, the COVR project developed so-called protocols, which are a step-by-step guide for how to make these measurements. In the following video, we are going to look at the protocol Test Robot Arm for Collision with Fixed Object. The specific purpose of this protocol is to validate the safety skill limit interaction energy by measurement. Its scope is limited to robot arms used in manufacturing situations. Let's look at a typical hazard during a collaborative scenario. A human is working together with a robot assembling parts. Possible hazards arise when the human and the robot want to pick something out of the same box, and the hand of the human could get clamped by the robot's gripper. To ensure that the physical interaction energy is limited during this impact, the COVR protocol, Test Robot Arm for Collision with Fixed Object, is used. For the test setup, we need a biofidelic measurement device. With this device, we validate that the robot will not exceed specific biomechanical limit values identified in the risk assessment. The measurement device must be oriented perpendicular to the robot's direction of motion at the position where the collision could occur. And it must be fixed properly. Before we start testing, we have to make sure that the safety settings in the robot control system are set correctly, and the appropriate part of the robot's program is chosen. Now we can start testing. As we can see, the robot collides with the measurement device and initiates a safety stop as soon as the collision is detected. Next, the test results are compared to the limit values. In case the limits are not exceeded, repeat the test at least 3 times. If they are, the robot's velocity must be reduced or the safety settings adjusted. This was an example of how you can ensure the safety of your collaborative robot with help from COVR. If you wish to learn more, visit www.safearoundrobots.com.